In this video, I am going to show you how to solve a quadratic equation by completing the square method. Some quadratic equation cannot be factored and not be in a format that allows us to continue with the square root property. In this case, we can use the technique of completing the square by rewriting the quadratic equation in a perfect square trinomial. Then we can factor the quadratic equation and use the square root property. Let's see one example. Solve x square plus 14x minus 51 equals 0. Here, this is a quadratic equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals 0, where a equals 1, b equals 14, c equals negative 51. First, the step is bring all the x terms one side. So for that I am writing 14x minus 51 equals 0 and then add a 51 both sides. So that is x square plus 14x equals 51. Now let's make a magic number to make this as a perfect square. My magic number is b by 2 to the power 2. We know that b equals 14, that is 14 divided by 2 square equals 7 square, which is 49. So we are going to add this 49 both sides of the equation. Plus 49 equals 51 plus 49. Here if you notice, we have a perfect square left side. So take the square root x and the last term square root is 7. And when you square this x plus 7 to the power 2, you will get x square plus 14x plus 49 equals right side is 100. Now we have a square on the left side, take the square root both sides. So we will get x plus 7 equals positive or negative 10. It's easy to solve now. Let's solve it. There are two values for x. One is x plus 7 equals negative 10. One is x plus 7 equals positive 10. Then add a negative 7, negative 7. So x equals negative 17. Here negative 7, negative 7, x equals 3. So we get the solution is negative 17, 3. My next example is solve x square minus 2x minus 3 equals 0. Again we know that a equals 1, b equals negative 2 and c equals negative 3. Here we need the value of b, that's why I am writing b value there. Then again bring the x terms together and the right side is constant. So x square minus 2x minus 3 equals 0, positive 3 both sides. Then we will get x square minus 2x equals 3. So again our magic number is b by 2 the whole square. That is what we need for getting a perfect square left side. That is negative 2. Our b value is negative 2 square, which is 1. So I'm going to add this 1 both sides of the equation. X square minus 2x plus 1 equals 3 plus 1. Then we get a perfect square left side, that is x minus 1 to the power 2 equals 4. Take the square root both sides, that is x minus 1 equals positive or negative 2. Again we have two solutions that solve for x. X minus 1 equals 2. x minus 1 equals negative 2. Add 1 both sides, we will get x equals 3, and positive 1 here, again positive 1, we will get x equals negative 1. So the solution is 3 comma negative 1. My next example is solve 5x square equals 60 minus 20x. Here we can divide the whole terms by 5 because all terms are multiples of 5. I'm going to divide it by 5. 5, 5. So we get x square equals 12 minus 4x. Again, combine all the x terms together. For that, I'm going to add the 4x both sides. So x square plus 4x equals 12. Here b is the number with x, that is b equals 4. So the magic number is b by 2 square equals 4 by 2 square, which is 4. Let us add this 4 both sides of the equation. X square plus 4x plus 4 equals 12 plus 4. Here we have a perfect square left side. Take the square root both sides. X, and then here it is 2, and then the sign is positive. So if you expand this x plus 2 the whole square, you will get back x square plus 4x plus 4. That is a perfect square. 16. Take the square root both sides, that is x plus 2 and positive or negative 4. We have two solutions. X plus 2 equals 4, x plus 2 equals negative 4. Solve for x. And here negative 2, x equals negative 6. So the solution is 2 comma negative 6. Next example, 8x square plus 16x minus 42 equal 0. So we are going to solve this equation. Again, this we can multiply the whole, we can divide the whole equation by a 2. So that is 4x square plus 8x minus 21 equals 0. I'm going to combine the x terms left side and right side, the constants. That is 4x square plus 8x equals 21 by adding a positive 21 both sides. And here we have a common factor 4 left side, so I'm going to take the 4 outside as a common factor. X square plus 2x equals 21. If you notice, the first term inside the bracket is x square. We have to keep always this as x square, that is a value should be 1 when we make this completing the perfect square. Then b value is 2 here. So the magic number is, this is the b value. Magic number is 2 divided by 2 square, which is 1. So I'm going to add this magic number both sides. X square plus 2x plus 1 equals 21, And if you notice, there is a 4 inside, so we have to multiply that 4 and 1 here, that is 4. So our equation is now 4, and we can take the square root of this and this because this is a perfect square. So x plus 1 to the power 2 equals 21 plus 4 is 25. Then take the square root both sides. 2 x plus 1 equals positive or negative 5. Then let us solve. Two times x plus 1 equals positive 5. 2 times x plus 1 equals negative 5. Divide both sides by 2, that is x plus 1 equals 5 by 2. Subtract a 1 both sides. Then we will get x equals 5 by 2 minus 1, which is 3 by 2. So x equals 3 by 2. Again here, divide both sides by 2. Then we will get x plus 1 equals negative 5 divided by 2. Then add a negative 1. We will get x equals negative 5 by 2 minus 1, which is negative 7 divided by 2. So the solution is (3 by 2, negative 7 over 2). So I have completed all kinds of solving quadratic equations. If you watch my previous videos, you will see different kinds of solving quadratic equation.